What kind of wood is this?
It's a peely, closer to the hatch, picked up almost immediately.
Got a little smelly. I think you're turning pretty high, yeah. Nice.
The 8 pillars are coming down.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Can I see the back at all first?
Yeah.
Wow.
So there's 2 ZB6 18s
Okay.
on 2 JP 63s. And the amps are on this right door.
Okay. Question, did you dial in the depth of where to put the box, or is it just this is where it fits?
I did. Originally it was a few inches back, and getting a little bit closer to the hatch, picked up almost immediately.
4, okay, awesome. Wow, that's good. What kind of wood is this?
It's a peely.
A what?
Sapele.
Sapele, okay.
They build yachts and stuff with it.
Okay.
It's really high on the hardness scale.
Okay. Looks good, I like it.
Oh yeah, thank
All right, very nice. Who built this box?
I built it, and me and JD did.
Okay.
Yeah, he's over there.
Very nice. It's good. Do you know the tuning and cubic space on it?
Yep, it's tuned to 30, and it's 10 gross.
10 gross, okay. Nice. It's around 8.5 net. All right. So yeah, go ahead. Perfect. Are these game matched or straps?
They're game matched,
Okay.
which is a pain in the butt.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Did you do any SPL tests on this at all?
It's not a 54.
54, okay. Oh, you got this too, okay.
Yeah, I'm about to, that's next on the list.
Are you, anything on the roof done yet?
Nothing on the roof.
Okay, all stock then.
Yeah,
Okay.
all stock on the roof, just a little bit of dead in the doors.
Okay.
And the rear hatch.
Okay. Wow. Are you having any panel breaking issues? I mean, the stuff's starting to fall apart and break up here. It's crazy.
Yeah, just my 8 pillars are coming down, but the doors, the ceiling, everything's okay right
Pretty
now.
intact? Yep.
Still got my DVD player.
Nice. All right.
No vents have come out.
Yep. And you have your back seats, so you're able to have people ride too.
Yep, always got the back seats.
Nice. I forgot to ask you about your lithium and alternator power.
Yep, it's a 105 Yingluo. That's the whole battery for the entire truck. And then the alternator is a 400 billet Megman.
Okay.
With AC.
Yep, AC too, yep. Alright. What's your bandwidth like on this system?
I play like 24 to 40 is my sweet spot.
Mid-20s, nice.
Yeah, mid-20s. Yep.
So nothing too high, nothing too low, but that's pretty good though.
Yeah,
Good
I
bandwidth
can
here.
get down in the 20s a little bit. It's a lot of power though, so I try not to play out of my tune too
Yes,
much.
sir. Awesome. Looks good. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. I like it.
Ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
in the beginning when we living, we were tripping, we were so high. When you told me that you love me, when you bluffing, wasn't nothing, now you're so dry. You can tell me that you're sorry, but I know that you don't mean it, baby, don't lie. Don't lie. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie. Forever was the time we'll be together, baby, always. Now you're saying that you're sorry, but I know that you don't mean it, 'cause you won't stay. Now you won't stay. You won't stay.
I think you're turning pretty high, yeah. Nice. Wow, you're putting some power on it, man.
Yeah, they're getting the power.
Wow.
They're at 0.5 AMS.
Wow. I appreciate the demo. Yes, sir. Thanks for the demo. You too, man. Great job. What kind of lift? Wow. Oh.
It's about 8.
8, okay.